Hello friends, welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel. On this channel I talk about SaaS product reviews, online money making, internet marketing and technology. So in this episode, this is basically the second episode of where I'm talking about Shark Tank India products. So in this episode I'm talking about a product called as Kerala Chips. So they are from Beyond Snack company. So I am a regular user of this product, by the way. I have purchased this product for the fourth time, so you know this is the best product out there, right? So I'm going to talk about what the product is. So Beyond Snack came on Shark Tank to raise some money. So they got an offer of 2.50 lakhs for 2.5% of their company. Ashnir and Aman has given them the offer. I think they got the offer because their product definitely has some power, right? So let me show you the product itself. So it's the product is in the healthy category. So this is the Kerala chips, as you can see here. Now you do get Kerala chips everywhere, but this is definitely the different one. They promise that you have zero cholesterol here, zero trans fat, high fiber and healthy snack, right? So it has less oil, by the way. The product the chips, banana chip that you buy locally has lot of oil. The hygiene is not maintained. It is touched by humans, so nothing is there like that. The process is fully automated, no human touch, fully hygiene is maintained. There is no oil here, and there are some cons here, by the way. Now let me talk about the chip itself. So the chips, the regular chips that you get are a bit thicker side, but these are on the very thin side. So let me test it and show you. You can see how thin the chips are. So it is fully automated. The machines are working brilliantly on this for precision purpose, and I think the chips are very tasty. I have ordered this 4 times, so I am kind of addicted to this. The chips are best. It's a healthy option for you compared to the local option. Now the only con that I found is the pricing, right? So I got this for 54 rupees, which I think is on the higher side. If the pricing of these chips would have been like 30 rupees, then they are definitely going to get lot of sales. But right now they are also getting lot of sales. That's why they are enjoying a lot of margins on this product. Yeah, so that's the product, guys. Hope you like this video. I'm going to make 1 or 2 more videos on such topics, product reviews. So it is related to business, so that's why I covered it on this channel. If you like such videos, do comment down below what you think about this video. If you have any improvement suggestions for improvement, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.